Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It is James. What's up, man? How are you doing today? We got a big day today. We're gonna have a busy day today, especially in the New York session. It's gonna be hectic. Even yesterday, it wasn't as crazy as it was actually. Let me not lie. It was actually with the core PPI news coming back again today with some more. Lots of news today. Yeah. A whole lot is actually happening today. A lot. It is happening. So yeah. We're gonna see how that plays out. As you can see, we got core CPI. And then we got core retail sales, got CPI, and then we got Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, and then later on, during the Aussie session, we got employment rate and unemployment rate. It's gonna be hectic too. During those times, it's gonna be hectic. So yeah, I see Trader. What's up, man? What's up? I am good. How's you doing, bro? Wagwan. So yeah, it's gonna be busy today. It's gonna be hella hectic. Can't wait to see that. I'm not sure if I actually wanna go again also, just for this news. Live stream this news. Just a tape read, but we'll see. We will see how that goes. Yo, bro, I gotta go pick up a friend. I'll be back 1 hour if you're still live. Yeah, man, no problem. Today's stream will be short. Will probably be for like 2 hours or so. So maybe you might find me. Yeah, maybe you might find me. But today's stream, I want to keep it a little bit short. So yeah, we got all of this happening. And then I was actually looking at the euro, right? I was actually looking at the euro. It did what you want. Asia high swept, right? Asia high swept, but I have a strange feeling about this sell, to be honest. For some reason I don't want to touch anything that has to do with the dollar. For obvious reasons. And looking at the daily on the Euro USD. What's up, Edu? Edu, what's up, man? How are you doing this morning? So as I was saying, the reason why I didn't want to touch the euro today is because we're in a full-blown uptrend right now. As you can see, this candlestick closed bullish, and also currently we had a discount here during the Asia session, and then currently now we're in premium for the day. So selling kinda, I'm like, yeah, you can sell since we're in a premium for the day, but if we're still in discount, I'll be very much more comfortable taking a sell than, taking a buy than actually trying to sell right now, to be honest. And did you get any market structure shift? We did actually get a market structure shift. We're already at the mean threshold with a CB, but I am not gonna take this, to be honest. I mean, it looks cool, it looks good. A part of me wants to take it, but a part of me is like, stay away from the dollar. Right, let's see how many risk that would be like 5. Normally we risk 8 pips, so that would be like 8 pip risk, 8 pip to 10 risk, and then target will be like around 10, the usual. Will be around the usual. GU looking weak. Part of me wants to take this trade, but a part of me is like, stay away from the dollar, right? Stay away from the dollar. GBPUSD also did the same thing. It gave us the same setup too. GBP gave us the same setup too. Yeah. They both gave us the same setup. But you know what? I will take this trade, and I won't risk more than I normally do. I'll risk half of what I normally do. I don't want to be in a position where on higher time frame. I'll check that in a minute. To be honest, this is giving me funny vibes, to be honest. Taking a sell right now on the GBPUSD. It's a little bit weird, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see how that plays out. Baby, what's up, man? So this is my first trade of the session. Eurusd sell, right? Even though it doesn't really go with my higher time frame directional bias, right? Looking at the daily, it seems like we're still going bullish. We should be looking for a buy setup, right? And then also we have this H4 order block, so price might reject off of that order block if we actually retrace a little bit lower, right? But we just want to see how that actually plays out. And also we have this BC right there, so if price can actually tap into that BC, that's where you'd wanna take your partials. But to be honest, if you're taking this trade, don't risk more than you usually do. Do not risk more than you usually do. It's not really a high probability. It's not an A trade for me. It's not an A plus trade for me. You said I should look at the higher time frame for both. So GBP is the weaker one. Where's GBP? Yeah, it failed to take out. It still has that right there. We're in this buy side here, but EURUSD already took it out. This one right here, while the GBPUSD failed to do that. So yeah, GBP is the weaker one. So in this case, I see trader taking the sell on this is a much better option than the EURUSD. Taking a sell on the GBP seems to be a very much better option than, was this a microstructure shift? Yeah, is a better option than the euro. risking I'm around the same pips, and then target give you around the same pips, literally 10 pips. So yeah, this can also be a trade. This can also be a trade, but I took the EURUSD, not this. We're on the EURUSD already. We'll see how that plays out. I actually wanted to stay away from pound dollar pairs, to be honest. I wanted to stay away from dollar pairs, but hey, we're already here. Looking at this, actually, I was actually looking at we're currently in a H4 BC, and also it's also a H1 BC. I was actually looking at the German, looking at the daily, right? Looking at the daily, yesterday we had this big ass candlestick that tested this breakaway almost halfway, and then breakaway gap, and then rejected. I'll take that as a reversal candle, right? And I don't expect this candlestick to take out the previous day low. Already taken out the previous day high, already taken out the Monday high. We still have that Friday high still up there, so that's what I'm expecting. That's my next draw in liquidity. And then if you go to the H1, we got this market structure shift here. We got this market structure shift here with a BC, right? The question is, are we gonna tap into the consequent encroachment of that BC? Let me just, oh, we're just gonna reverse right here and give us more higher prices, because I'm actually waiting for a market structure shift. And since it's a 1 hour BC, we're just gonna go on the 5 minutes to wait for a market structure shift to actually take a buy. But we're just gonna see how, if that actually gives us the market structure shift to buy. But looking at how it's been moving the whole New York session, right, I don't really expect much. I don't really expect it to yet to give us a bullish PD arrays and all that. I was expecting to do the same thing until it gets here, then maybe it reverses. So yeah, I'm in GU. It took 4 hours. ERL now internal range liquidity. That's why it took sell. Dope. Yeah, literally. That's literally what happened. Looking at it, nice, playing out nice already. Yeah, literally. Buy side took out, looking for that, and then GBP is falling. Euro is still there. I should have just went in the GBPUSD instead of EURUSD, because right now this boy is fighting. He is fighting with us, while the GBPUSD is just all the way down there. That was a good pick though. That was a good pick, considering the fact that the GBPUSD is the weaker one. That was actually a good pick, man. That was actually a good pick. GBPUSD was a good pick. Nelson, what's up, man? How you doing? What you looking for today? I'm on my way to the office. We're looking at GBPUSD and EURUSD as usuals. The usual suspects. Looking at the usual suspects. This I'm waiting for London loan to be taken. Already taken out previous day high low and Monday's low, right? So my question is, where's the next draw in liquidity? Already taken out by the sell side liquidity, right? I'm gonna go into this internal range liquidity, then we drop, or what? So we're just gonna see how this plays out. I'm just gonna tape read this. And then gold was crazy. Gold yesterday was nuts. finally pushing up. Currently haven't taken out any of the sessions lows and high. Looking at the H4, let me go to the daily. Looking at the daily, already taken out previous day high, right? And I still have a feeling that we're gonna have to take out that. We might take it today during the news. We might take it out today during the news. That NFP high. Still have a feeling that we might be taking that NFP high today. That NFP high must be taken out. But yeah, gold, it's a little bit noisy right now. It's a little bit noisy. Not gonna touch it this session. We'll see it post the news. We'll see it post the news. We'll see it post the news. Let me put you here. Gold, might as well go back. So yeah, we'll see it post the news. But here, we're actually waiting for that 5-minute market structure shift. If we can actually get that, that would be nice. If you can get that 5-minute market structure shift, I'll be happy to take a buy. I'll be happy to take a buy. So you, let me just duplicate this and have a separate. And look at it, so I don't miss it. But yeah, Gbpusd, oh, seems to be playing out so well, man. God damn it. It's crazy that I picked the stronger one. It's crazy that I picked the stronger one. GE currently on a 15-minute BC after a market structure shift. Really? Looking at the German 30, looking at German 40. What are you looking at, brother? So currently in a 15-minute BC. You talking about this BC or? But yeah, German 40. Said 15 minutes BC. I'm guessing this is the BC that you're seeing. Where's the market structure shift? Are you talking about this market structure shift here? Because you didn't tap into that. And then this one. Which market structure shift? Which market structure shift? I'm waiting for a 5-minute market structure shift. Let's look at how the 1 minute is doing. Did it give us a market structure shift? Hell yeah. Right there. That can also be an entry, even though it's supposed to wait for a 5-minute one. But that might be testing the bullish order block if it comes back into that. Joe, what's up, man? How are you doing today? Let's set you there. How are you doing today? Yeah, to be honest, on that one, I picked the wrong one. EURUSD. It was a wrong pick. It was a wrong pick. Walked right into that one. Walked right into it. Get that. The thing is, it might go to that main threshold before giving us the setup. Might, but this will be the trade if we get tagged in there. If we get tagged in, this will be the trade. I can't find this pair in my MT5. It's German 40. Just check for DEX 40. Search for DEX 40. Yeah, just search for DEX 40. Search for this. Not German, but DAX 40. It should be there. Almost the same thing. Same thing. Yeah, let's look at the GU. Oh my god. GU is just tanking. Where's your target? ICT trader, where's your target? Asia low or targeting something else? Are you targeting something else outside liquidity? Oh well, that's Asia low. Where is your target? gbpjpy is also doing the things. Oh yeah, seems like all the GBP pairs are actually weak. Yeah, seems like all the GBP pairs are actually weak. That is what I'm seeing. All GBP pairs cross. I will book 50% of Asia low. Will wait. hard react in H4 BC. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. German tagged, right? German tagged us, but with the way GBP pairs are so weak, this is scary. This is scary. The way German pairs are so weak right now, this looks scary. It looks scary. How am I not tagged in? I don't know. How am I not tagged in? I don't know. Price is literally past. Oh, it spreads. Jesus Christ. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Second trade of the session, German. The German. Honestly, that EURUSD makes me feel, I think I might cut it at break even, to be honest. That EURUSD, I might cut it at break even. How many trades you take in a day? Maximum is about, per session is about three trades. In a day, maybe let's just say, I don't know, 6 max. Let's say 6. Yeah, this makes me want to cut it, to be honest. I might cut this earlier than I thought, considering the fact that we are weak. It is strong. EURUSD is strong right now, so, and that's the main reason why I wasn't even afraid to actually sell it. It's the main reason why I actually afraid to. Still holding yesterday's loss and expecting GBP to move down to. Wait a minute. Check Alisa, still holding yesterday's GBP. Damn, the way GBP is reversing right now, it's not even funny. Jesus Christ. Still saying it's still holding yesterday's loss on GBPUSD. Is that what's happening? You're holding GBPUSD loss. Damn. So I'm guessing you're holding a sell. If that's the case, you're holding a GBPUSD sell. If that's the case, then that's crazy. Gbpusd took a sell. Crazy. But it took out buy side, so yeah. Should expect it. You said you're expecting it to fall back into the fair value gap. Which fair value gap? H4 fair value gap? I'm guessing it, yeah. Expecting it to fall into this H4 fair value gap. Andy, good morning. How are you? How are you? How are you, Andy? That USD will smash us Caribbean SN. Right. GBP again on entry. Yeah, back to entry. Another re-entry. EURUSD, guys. I'm gonna break even on EURUSD. If we come back to entry, I am breaking even. This will be a break-even trade for me if you come back to entry. I'm going to break even on EURUSD, to be honest. I don't like this. I don't like how EURUSD is moving. Or if it just spikes down a little bit, I'm gonna break even. Okay. What's this? GBP. Yeah. Went back to retest that. Is that a 15 minute? Yeah, it's also a 15-minute CB. I'm back to retest that too. But guys, EURUSD, honestly, nah. Nah, fam. Nah. At least German is playing out. Wait. Tyrone, good morning. Do you have a Telegram channel for teaching? I teach my students, but I do have a Telegram channel. I do teach my students. Let me send the Telegram channel. But teaching, I teach my students. Link is in the chat. Tyrone, if you're still here. God damn. Oh my god. Your GBPUSD should be flying too, still at entry. Yeah, this is what I don't like. This is what I don't like. And just as always, everything is perfect. Thanks. Konja asked you how you doing. Glad you're doing fine. Glad you're doing fine, man. Glad you're doing fine. Yeah. At least the German is playing out. Well, not yet. I want that TP. This halfway will say, yeah, it's playing out. We want that TP halfway. Then we'll say, yeah, it's playing out. Okay. In is being a student premium. I have no idea. No. If you wanna be one of my students, you're gonna have to just text me personally. You have to text me personally. I'll put you in the VIP. You have to text me privately, and then we'll put you in the VIP. Ew. The hell. Where's Euro? Yeah, Euro is nasty. Euro is nasty, guys. It is nasty. Damn, that German is flying. Yeah, is it? Yeah, it's just there. It's just there. It's just there. The DXY. Let's see if the DXY can actually help us in this case. Because right now it's looking weak as hell and it's not good for us. The German is, the dollar is looking weak. It's falling and it's not good for us, to be honest. It is not good. No good at all. Should see higher prices. Should get more higher prices on the DOX, on the DXY. Then yeah. But so far, it's not looking good. It is not looking good. It might be going for that previous week low. It might be going, the DXY might be going for that previous week low. And if that's the case, it is not good. It is not good for us. It is not good for us. It is not good for us. Yeah, then there's this. Look at the crazy SMT. Look at how GBP is failing to make highs. And the Eurusd is just up there. And the Eurusd is just up there. The Eurusd is just up there. But I feel like at this point, what can save us is the DXY, the dollar index. If we start getting more higher prices, it'll save us. But if not, we're not gonna, especially me who took the Eurusd, not gonna survive that trade. Not gonna survive that trade at all, if that's the case. Not gonna survive the EURUSD trade. If this keeps going lower, not gonna survive it. Oh my god, excuse me. Dollar looking weak, though thinking of cutting it to BE. Yeah, the dollar looks weak, that's the thing. The dollar looks weak. It's preparing for the news. It's preparing for New York session. It'll probably give us more lower prices. The dollar will probably just give us more lower prices in this session. Maybe take out these probably, even though it's a little bit too far. Or maybe just pushing just to get to there. When the news come, just drop even lower. Maybe to take out the 20 days low. Might be the case. Might be the case where like price is just pushing lower so that when the news come during New York session, this is closer, and then take out that sell side liquidity, that 20 days low, quick in a hurry. So it might be the case. It might be the case, you know. That might be the case. Right. Crazy. Yeah, we're about to snatch that SL on Euro GBP. Still at break even. That's crazy. Still at break even. Still at break even. Eight pip stop, but that one is dead to me. I like the fact that this is still holding, but is it gonna? Did you break even? You said you're gonna cut it on break even. Did you break even? I see trader. Did you break even? Cause damn. Yeah. Seems like the German is bullish for now. Let's see NAS. NAS just quietly. We have that accumulation on NAS. We're just accumulating right now on NAS. Waiting for that breakout. That manipulation. Waiting for it. And I have a feeling it's gonna be lower. The manipulation might be lower. Then we take off to the upside. But we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Manipulation lower, I would be happy. Let's take out Asia low, then a buy. I wouldn't mind buying NAS right now during London session if we manipulate lower, but we're just gonna see. Just gonna see. And speaking of NAS, yesterday, were you guys? How many of you guys were here yesterday? New York session live stream. Were you guys here live session New York yesterday? Were you guys here? Who was here? Just say yay. I wanna see who's here. I wanna see who's here. Oh wow. Yeah, GBP is flying. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, Joel was here, yeah. Remember I had a USDT trades on the TopStep account. I ended up taking an L on those and I went on NAS. Ended up coming up with like 202.9. Yeah. I made 2.9 days it, yeah. As you can see, net profit just below the balance here. That's what I made yesterday on NAS buy. That USDT ended up hitting my SL, and then I took up NAS. Let me see if I can go through the, wait, can I go through the trades here? Oh yeah, I can actually. Yesterday was the 14th. Shit, it doesn't show the trade itself individually. Let's go. Yeah, there's it. Nah, I want to go to the trades individually, and I cannot seem to get that. That's crazy. But anyway, I took a buy on NAS around here. I took a buy on NAS. Where did I take a buy? Where did I take that buy on NAS? I forgot. Somewhere here. What was I targeting? No, I took it here. Yeah, I took it somewhere here. I re-entered somewhere here. And then my target was up there, and then yeah, it was smashed. Hit my daily target for the day, and then with US30, that hit my SL. Yeah, that hit my SL because I had buys from here on this min threshold here for all the way from there, and then slowly hit my SL, and right after I hit my SL, poof, it took off. But I already had caught NAS. So yeah, and then with this, just left with just to make 2k, not even 2k, 1.9 something, 1.940 for the day, and then I'm getting funded with TopStep. That's it. That is it. That's all I need to get funded with 100k. Okay, we're on to something. I'm late today. Why didn't I get a notification? You're supposed to hit the notification bell when you subscribe. When you subscribe, you're supposed to also make sure your notification bell is on, right? If you're on your PC, are you using your PC or your phone right now? Are you using your PC or your phone right now? Are you using your phone or your PC? Crazy. This is nasty. This is nasty stuff. Look at how GBP pair is just rejecting. That is nasty stuff. So this is what you're supposed to do. Let me mute. Crazy. Hey. This is what you're supposed to do. When you subscribe, make sure this is on. All. You will get notification through your phone. You're saying you're using a phone. Simple. It is simple. We just go to, where's the channel? It is simple. I'm not sure if you can see. God damn it. How do I do full screen cam? Let me try to do full screen cam. Hey, what am I doing? Right. See right there? I'm not sure if you can see. Might be lagging. That bell should be on all too. It should be on all. I know it can't focus. It should be on all. The first one should be on all. And then you will get the notification. Yeah, it should be on all. You will get the notifications. You will be fine. This is nasty work. This is nasty work. Euro? Really? Really? This is what we're dealing with. Jesus Christ. This is what we're dealing with. Here we're going. Seems like the DEX is going, and it's a good trade to actually hold. Because of the daily. If you're looking at the daily, well, it's looking a little bit weird daily too, since, but that high must be taken out. I'm looking at that high. I'm looking at that high. Sheena, hey, what's up, bro? What is up? I'm good, man. I am good. How are you? How are you? How are you? I think maybe it's because I usually use my PC. Probably. Maybe that's because why. Maybe that's the reason why. Thanks for the work, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Philip KK. I'm guessing you also got the instructions on how to get the notifications. Dope stuff. Dope stuff. This is nasty work, guys. This is nasty work. This is nasty work. Very, very nasty work. This is nasty work. Do you think it's worth to wait for SL or cut at break even in GU? Looking at the way things are going, I think it's best to just cut at break even, to be honest. Unless you willing to take the L, right? Unless you're still in the trade, unless you're still in the trade, right? Unless you want to be in the trade, you can just leave it to hit TP or SL. But looking at what's happening right now, me personally, if I was in that euro, right, and it gets to break even, definitely cutting to break even. Definitely cutting to break even, because this took me out on my account, obviously with spreads, and I didn't get exactly there, risking 8 pips, so I'm already out on this. But on the analysis, still in, but obviously with spreads, considering spreads, I'm already out on EURUSD. So if I was still in, I'd have broken even. If and it came here, I was gonna break even. Just entered my GU cells. SL is 4 pips. Crazy. 4 pips is insane. You might get tagged out anytime soon. You might get tagged out anytime soon, bro. But we're just gonna see. Because we haven't taken out Asia low. The question is, are we going there? Are we going there is a question. How is it moving? What is going on? How is it moving, brother? A lot of manipulation today. Yeah, a lot is going on. Anything with the dollar right now, should have stayed away from the dollar. We should have stayed away from the dollar. Anything with the dollar is not nice. Wait a minute. Anything with the dollar is not looking good. Anything with the dollar is not looking good. Let's see. Anything with the dollar is not looking good. Nas must manipulate. I'm waiting for that manipulation on Nas. Where are we gonna manipulate? I am waiting for it. Gonna manipulate higher or lower? It'll be nice if we manipulate lower, because we'll get discount price to actually buy it off. Looking at the daily, we're already in a discount, and then if it manipulates a little bit lower, we're getting more discount price, so that'll be nice. So we're just waiting to see where we are manipulating, and then with the rest, GBP, yeah, it's just a weird situation right now with these things. Weird situation. Anybody take any of these trades? EURUSD, GBPUSD. Besides IC Trader, I know you took sell on GU. Anybody take trades this session? Anybody take any trade this session? Patience is the game. Yep, we just hit SL here. Patient is the game. So we're gonna log this into the we're selling against the trend. We're trading against the trend on this trade. It's the reason why I didn't even feel comfortable taking it. Wait, copy link. Let me log it real quick. We'll put this here. We've been catching L's this week, innit? We've been catching serious L's. It's not even fun. I'll bookmark. Excuse me. What is it? Link, paste, sell, loss minus 8 pips. What's today's date? 15. Today's Wednesday. London session. Copy. It's EURUSD. When I'm struggling at BE is funded in funded account. Any tips? What can I say? I don't know. Do you have a trading plan? Do you have a trading plan? How much are you aiming to make a week on that account? How much are you aiming to make a month on that account? How many trades are you taking? Maximum trades are you taking every day? Maximum trade a day? I mean, maximum loss a day, maximum loss per trade. You know, stuff like those. Ask yourself questions like those. If you don't have those questions, that's why you're always at break even. If you can answer those questions, yeah. When does London session actually start? South African time. It starts at, well, the whole London session starts at what time is it? Is it 7? 7. No, actually just 8. It properly starts at 8. 8 starts at 8 a.m. South African time. That's the London session. Tyrone, I hope I answered you. If EURUSD is reversing, this should be also giving us lower prices. And then this reversed too. God damn it. Give us a taste up there. And it's falling right now. Yeah, man, struggling at risk management. Yeah. That is probably why. Risk management. You gotta work with your risk management. Don't risk more than... It's a funded account, right? It's a funded account. And what's the account size? It's a funded account, and what's the account size? It's a fun. Hey, Nas. Let's not forget. 5K. Don't risk more than $50 a trade, because that's your 1%. Don't risk more than $50 per trade. If I were you, I'll probably risk for around 40, 30. For now, risk 40, $30. Play around that amount. play that amount, play around that amount, and yeah, don't risk more than that, because if you risk more than that, you're risking more than 1%. If you risk more than that, yeah. How is the risk reward ratio here? Where? Are you talking about this trade? Risk reward ratio almost 1:1, because it's risking 8 pips for 10 pips. This was already taken, this trade was already taken a long time ago. Do we take partials? You can, or you might as well just let it hit TP or SL. I don't know. I say trader is always emotional, bro. Same plan you executed on evaluation, stick to the same plan. Yeah, stick to the same plan, man. The way you passed, stick to that, man. Now that it's funded money, emotions are involved. Don't let that. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, reversed. I see trader. Yeah, make sure that you don't risk less, man. The same amount that you were risking, man. Just, I mean, the same plans that you had when you were doing the evaluation, do the same thing and risk less. Risk less. You're on a funded. It's not going anywhere. It's your money now. Whatever you're making, it's yours. So try to hold that. You're not doing the challenge anymore. So don't do that. Maybe you should start risking 0.25. Then when up in the account by 2%, you can start risking 1% of the account, because $50 can still make damage if you. Yeah. True. I hope you're listening, ICT trader. Just risk less, man. Risk. You're not funded, bro. You literally said you're funded with 5k. You said a funded account. You said funded account. You said funded account, so I just assumed you are funded. Yeah, ICT. I thought you're funded, because you said funded. You keep using the word funded. So in my head, I thought you were funded. I thought you were funded. GBPUSD. Wow. Wow. EURUSD also reversed all of that. It literally said psych. NAS, as expected, manipulating lower. Must give us more lower prices. Must come and dip into this. Must come and dip into this. It must come and dip into that. I agree with you on that one. Yeah. NAS must come deep into that. S&P also dropping, USDT dropping as well. It took out Asia low. S&P hasn't taken out Asia low. Nah, bro, I had a funded account from funding peeps, but I'm guessing that but means it's blown. And now you're doing a 5k challenge. Hey man, if you're doing a 5k challenge, stick to your 1% risk or less until you get used to it. 0.5, stick to 0.5 risk until you get used to your model. And backtest, keep backtesting, that will help. That's all I can say. If you want to pass a prop firm challenge, backtest. That is my advice. Backtest your model. If you want to pass a prop firm challenge, yeah, bro, on NFP news, my guy, here's a trick. Here's a trick, right? Here's a tip. Don't trade a prop firm during news. Whether it's a challenge or funded, never trade a prop firm during news. Whether it's FOMC, even now today there's core CPI. Don't trade a funded account on those news unless you are ready to blow it. Do not execute. Even if you have running trades, close them. Don't, even if it's in profits. If it's in profits, do you a favor and close while you're still in profits before you reach your maximum daily loss. Trust me, it's best for you. Never trade news on a funded account. Never try to trade news before news release. Never try that. Don't do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. If you know what's best for you, do not do it. The CPI are my best days, bro. Trust me, bro. Maybe on a personal account, yeah. Do that on a personal account where you have fun, like $100, $200, $500. Play around with it, yeah. But if you're trading a prop firm, good luck. All the best with that. That's all I can say. All the best. I actually passed that account from news trades. Okay, yeah, try it again. And yet you failed another one on trading news. See, there's no consistency there, my guy. You passed one and failed it again during news, so there's no consistency there, my guy. You can't depend on news to pass your challenges. You need to understand the news to get in the right side of the market. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you need to understand the news to get in the right But my advice to y'all, guys, I've learned the hard way. News can mess you up. Guys, here's my advice. Here's my advice to you. Do not trade prop firm accounts during high impact news. Yes. You might have passed the challenge. That might be by luck, but don't depend on news. Are unpredictable, guys. You can only assume news are unpredictable. You can see a clear buy, but it swipes out first, takes you out first, then goes up. News can be unpredictable. So my advice to you, stay away from news. Stay away. What about selling BE if you're in profit? My guy, there was a time I was trading a prop firm, right? I was trading a prop firm, NFP. I was in profit. I broke even. What happened? Reached my maximum loss. Within seconds. I was break even. I was in profit. Bear in mind, I was in profit. I locked profits. And what happened? I got hit. Maximum daily loss. Slippage happens. Because that 1 second, it only takes 1 second to take you out. Once it shoots up, it doesn't read. It can't trigger you at your BE. It can't trigger you at your BE. Unless it stops there for a second, it won't trigger you. It'll trigger you exactly where the market stops. Where the price stops. Where it spikes, that's where it'll trigger you out. See, I was in that situation. Just like that. Fresh new account. Just like that. Tagged out, broke even, and then NFP came, fatla, out, daily max, account, lot, gone. It can jump the SL, exactly, can jump the SL, so breaking even doesn't really help with anything. Even if you break even, it doesn't help with anything. It can still jump your SL. That's what's called slippage. It can still jump your SL. And just like that, your account gone. Now you have to convince yourself that you're not going to trade news, knowing very well that next time when you get another account, you're going to still trade news. We never really learn, guys. We never really learn. My advice to you guys, stay away from news. I think I've said enough. Stay away from news, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you want to keep your account, don't do it. Philip, I'm only seeing your request right now. I'm just gonna accept it. Let me see if there's more. Yeah, that is all. Excuse me. I know I said I was gonna edit this thing. Let me do it on the side. Let me do this. Nah, let me let you guys watch this and then I'll edit this on the side. Guys, I'm telling you, stay away from. That's actually scary. Thanks for this info. You're welcome, man. I already learned the hard way enough for everyone here. If you want to experience it yourself, you're more than welcome. You can come back with the story. We'll laugh about it. We love a good story. If you haven't learned, if you want to learn it the hard way, my bro, you are more than welcome, to be honest. You are more than welcome. If you wanna learn the hard way, you are more than welcome. Win rate. So yeah, guys, if you wanna trade news, guys, with the prop firm, you're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Just make sure you come back to us with news. If you passed it, come. If anything else happened, come tell us a story. We would love to hear it. We would love to hear that story. We would love to hear that story. Min threshold, we should be in it. If we can get that min threshold, if we can get that min threshold, should actually be moving on a 1 minute time frame to get that market structure shift. So if you can tap into that and get a 1 minute market structure shift, yeah, that might be the we'll see. It actually gives us what we need. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button. It actually helps. Just in case you don't know how that like button work, let me enlighten you. Right, so immediately when you hit that like button, YouTube would see that there's people watching and they're liking the content, they're liking the video. So I'm lagging, guys. Am I lagging, or is just the video lagging? My audio is fine, right? I feel like my video sometimes does lag, yeah. But anyway, as I was saying, with the like button, so when you hit that like button, YouTube would see that, okay, people are watching and they're liking it, and then what they will do is that they're gonna recommend this live stream to somebody who doesn't even know me. It'll just pop up on the feed, right? It'll pop up on their feed, and then they get a chance to actually click on it and see what's happening. So that's the power of the like button. The moment you hit that like, YouTube senses that there's more people liking, and then they're gonna recommend it to more people and more people and more people. So more likes means more people are gonna be able to see this live stream. So I would appreciate it if you actually hit that like button, guys. Appreciate it. It's more powerful than the subscribe button. I'm trying to customize this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let's just say total pips. Let's go. By me getting the market structure shift. Audio and video is sharp on my side though. Oh yeah, it's probably, I don't know, it's probably for that second. Or maybe it's on your side, ICT. People, let's get serious. We are 11 viewers. Let's make it 11 likes and share the link as well. Yeah, thanks for that, I guess, man. Thank you. I really appreciate that. If you can share it to anyone, if you're in a Telegram channel, public Telegram channel, that can help too. You know, share it to people and tell them to pull up to the stream. You know, how many likes do we have so far? How many likes we got so far? 14 likes. Dope. 15. Yeah. Let's do that. Still waiting. What are we waiting for? Prices tapped in almost. I'm tempted to take a buy here, to be honest. Temptation to take a buy. But there's no proper market structure shift. Right. On a 1 minute, there's no market structure shift. It's even worse. So I think I'm gonna wait for that market structure shift. If we can get this market structure shift here, I'll be able to take the trade. And plus we're in a discount already, so a buy would be nice. So if we can confirm a market structure shift here, I'm in it. I am in it. I'm trying to Crazy. Actually, some of, yeah. Yeah, so far added that total pips, whatever pips that we get on here, it'll be added on there. I'm trying to get a win rate. I'm trying to calculate all this win rate because yeah, god damn it, we've been catching L's. But yeah, I'm trying to calculate the win rate here and also have it there so we can see what's our win rate. And unfortunately, it's only calculated for pairs. Indices is very tricky to actually be doing that, but I'll find a way to calculate them indices separately. I already liked. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah. Let's share. Just gonna see. EURUSD, how's EURUSD going? Nasty work, innit? Nasty work. GBPUSD. Are you guys still holding your GBP? Are you guys still holding the GBPUSD? I see Tree Trader. Are you still holding it? And somebody said they already took a sell. SevFX. I think you said you took a sell. Was it you? DXY took 1 hour low. If it 5-minute microsection, then we'll wait. Still holding. That's dope. This one hit our SL. Yep, SL hit, and it's crazy that now it's actually rejecting off of the consequent encroachment. I hope I'm saying that right. My SL is literally at the consequent encroachment of that BC. That's why we should be looking for buys, taking a buy at the consequent encroachment, but SL has been hit. SL has been hit, guys. So yeah, what is going on? It is a BC. SL has been hit. Today we caught too many L's today. 3 L's. 3 L's. It's good to call it a day. I mean, about it. What did you buy? This. Did you buy the German? Yeah, this is nasty work. Nasty work. Nasty work. How do I edit this field? X or German. Either way, it's the same thing, guys. I don't see apply to all. I know that might be different and all, but damn. Entry point right there. Yeah, this week has been a come on. This week has been something else. Yeah. We took a buy. Let me get a full screen. It's a loss. And update it. CPI today, manipulation. Yep. That is exactly what will be happening today. And again, stay away. Stay away, guys. Stay away. Did we get a market structure shift? It's just an order block. Bullish order block. If you can get that. Which one is this one? If you can get a retest into that, that'll be fine. But with the way it's moving right now, sheesh. Are we gonna even come back? But I want that retest. Tape reading, guys. Tape read. We already took enough losses for the day. It's best to tape read. Don't be like me. Already took enough losses for the day. Let's check on the 30-minute chart, 30-second chart. Nothing really interesting happening up there. So we're just gonna stick to the 1 minute. Why these colors? And just like that. We're in. Prices has retested min threshold of that order block. We should be good. It's 15 minutes. Sheesh, this is far away. Yeah, I could target that, but I think I'm just gonna target that buy side liquidity up there. Just to see if we can get there. Same thing we have here. Oh, here you can just target for that. If we can get, just take partials along the way. We'll just see how that plays out. Let's see, prices dipped in, yeah. Let's see how that plays out. We're gonna get higher prices. Oh, still gonna drop deeper because we even touched the min threshold, even touched the consequent encroachment of that BC. So prices might go deeper a little bit before we actually go up, but that's a good enough entry for me. Just see how this actually plays out. And then obviously target being Asia high. A simple accumulation, manipulation. I hope this is enough manipulation. And then waiting for that distribution. Just gonna see how that plays out, guys. Am I still lagging? I can see some warnings on my site. I might be lagging. Yeah, seems like it. I'm getting a lot of frames dropping on the stream. Am I lagging, guys? I think I'm lagging. Yeah, I shouldn't even be asking. I know for sure that I am lagging because I'm seeing a lot of frames dropping. And it might be because of my speed. My upload speed is whack. Yeah, my upload speed is whack right now. It is whack. Let me change the... Oh, you're saying it's good? Nope. Wait. not that bad, but it is not that bad, but it is. Yeah, it's my upload speed. It's whack. It's whack. It literally just dropped down to 10 megabytes per second right now. Less than that, I mean. It literally just dropped to that. So yeah. So that's about it. That's pretty much about it. How long we've been going for? 2 hours. Today I want to keep it short. I have to record something. I have to keep today's stream short. I have to record something in a few minutes. What time is it? 10. Around 11. I should be recording some. Yeah. 5-minute auto block. I hope this doesn't hold. I hope it uses this as a breaker block. I hope this is used as a breaker block. What I mean by that, price break above it and then come retest min threshold, then give us more higher prices. I hope to see this right now on the 5-minute chart. I don't want this to hold. It must break below. It must break below. It must break below. I mean above. Did I say below? It must break above. Then come back and retest it as a breaker block. Not reject off of it. But yeah. Yeah, with this trade, guys, I will update you on how it goes. Probably New York session when I go live again for the New York session. We'll definitely go through this trade. Let me just put the entry points. I'll definitely go through this trade when I go live again during the New York session. Most definitely. GU, man, teasing your SL. Yeah, GU is something else. Jesus Christ. I feel like I probably lost a few hair follicles looking at this trade. We definitely lost some few hair follicles just looking at this trade. Just watching it, yeah, it seems very stressful. Very, 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 very stressful. Just watching this trade looks stressful. Very, 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 very stressful. Okay, shut up. Yeah. I'd literally lose some hair follicles here. If I was still in the trade, I was gonna break even. Yeah. There's no way. German. Maraini, ne? Why? Why take us through all of this just to do this? Yeah, what a day. What a day, to be honest. What a weird day. But it is what it is. I'm gonna come back tomorrow stronger. Very fine. And bro, it's crazy. Like, literally just took us out just to go back up to our TP session, to our TP. Yeah, this is nasty work. This is actually nasty work. But it makes sense though. It makes sense. Prices went back to hit that mean threshold. This is a breakaway gap, supposed to fill in at least 50% or less. I thought this wasn't gonna be enough, but price went straight to that mean threshold. This is why I always want to take trades at the mean threshold or consequent encroachment. It's the reason why, to avoid things like this, right? There's always the reason why I always take trades at the halfway point of all the, especially if I have a wide PD array like this. If I had a wide PD array like this, I always aim for consequent encroachment, or if it's an order block, mean threshold. But in this case, I guess it happened. It is what it is. And then, yeah. But this is going to be a good trade. And then it's going to hold the target, like I said, buy side liquidity there. So if you're in a trade, somebody said that they took a trade, China. If you're actually in this trade, I suggest actually hold. This is a good trade. Take some partials at Asia high, then hold it till buy side liquidity. You know, just lock profits. Make sure you lock profits. Make sure you lock profits. And then if it's still running until New York, my advice to you is to close the trade. That is my advice. Close the trade if it's still running till New York. You're still holding, it's still on German. That's dope. That is dope. Just a slight adjustment will be fine. Slight adjustment will be fine. Crazy. But I'm tagged out, so it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. GJ also playing mind games. Mean threshold of the bullish order block also. Tested the mean threshold of that, and then reversing gbpjpy, doing the same thing as that German. When it dropped, I added another trade. Oh, that's dope stuff. Dope stuff. So yeah, even this gbpjpy came to tag in order block, bullish order block, the mean threshold, now reversing. So we're gonna see if it's rejecting off of this CB or just gonna give us higher prices. Heidi, morning. You're late. About to close the stream. You're just coming out now, and we're just about to close the stream. We're about to close the stream. Still holding, dope. If it's also still holding, that is nice. Oof. asking too many questions. Why is people asking too many questions now? Oof, this is playing out nice. That's fine. I'm traveling in USA and just woke up 4 a.m. Crazy. Crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, this is working out nicely. How's Nas? Huh. Not doing shit. Still working around that order block. S&P 500 also not really doing much. I hate the fact that on S&P 500 we haven't taken out the Asia low, right? And then USD we did take out Asia low, and then NAS we did also take Asia low. So S&P seems to be the strong one. Seems to be the strong one. Seems to be the stronger one. GU is flying. Bro, I'm out on GU. Yeah, you're looking at how, hey, damn it, crazy. GU is flying. It is better to buy an index that has taken out Asia or the strong one. Yeah, that's why I took buys on the NAS, because it already had taken out Asia low, right? But in this case, ES is a stronger one, right? Because it hasn't really taken out the Asia low. So, and plus this one is the only one that confirmed the trade, so that's why I only took that. I'm only looking at the NAS right now. That is why. Looking at that yesterday, man. Oof, GBP. Hit SL. I'm guessing ICT and Sheena. Hit SL on GU, right? You all hit SL on GU. Yeah. Nasty stuff. Nasty work. Eurusd also playing around there. Let's look at the DXY before I close the stream, right? Like I said, prices might be going for lower prices. Might be targeting that. This was NFP low. We might be going for that NFP low, and the news might help us. New York session news might actually help us with that. And I feel like right now we're just pushing closer to that, and when news come, we're just gonna take it out. That means more higher prices on the EURUSD and all the pairs USD pair, cross pairs will be going higher. And then also we got that NFP high there, so that's the next draw in liquidity on the GBPUSD and also the EURUSD. Actually the EURUSD already taken out its NFP high, right? So there's that too, but the GBP hasn't. So, and I can see the German also, it's still flying, going to the TP, going to that Asia. It's going for the Asia high that we're looking for. So yeah, if we're still in a trade, we'll be hitting TP right now. How do I set the indicator that shows Asia low and Asia high? Unfortunately, this is not out for the public. This is the name of the indicator. It is not out for the public. You have to ask for permission from this guy. I just forgot how. But I'll surely try to. I always say I'll try to share it with you guys whenever I find a way, but I haven't found a way on how to actually get the indicator because I forgot how to get it, because I got it a long time ago. Yeah, I got it long ago, so I don't forgot how I got it, but I'll surely show it. I'll surely share it in you can search at indicators of trading view season ICT. Yeah, you can also do that. You can just search, like I said, season ICT, and you should get something. Yeah, I got the Killzone. Let's see this one and see how it actually looks. Yeah, we got that one too. Let me hide this. It shows you the kill zones, right? This is Asia kill zone, as you can see, from 8 until midnight there, and then the kill zone from here, that's from here, already ended. But to end, you can also modify it. I think you should be able to modify your kill zone. Yeah, you should be able to modify your kill zones there with the time. So you can also use this. This seems like a good one. This also doesn't seem bad. You can also use this. You can also use that one. Let him use Asia range and kill zones. Yeah. Tyrone, there you go. You can use that. They're actually helpful. can do that. TP's on heat on the GBP, on the German. Those who are holding should be in good profits. You should be taking your partials right now and locking profits. That's what you should be doing. Nas still down there, not really giving us much. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I have for the day. Gold, god damn it, gold decided to take off for this London session. It decided to take off for this London session, and then we're going for that buy side liquidity up there is the next drawn liquidity for me. And then maybe during New York we might sell. It might sell if we get there before New York, or it might just be getting closer to that buy side liquidity. The news will just push it up to take out that buy side liquidity, but we'll just see that. We'll just monitor that during the London session. So guys, yo bro, gold has made my day till NY. Oh dope. I'm guessing you took a buy on it. I'm guessing you took a buy on it. I'm guessing you took a buy. I'm guessing you took a buy. I'm guessing you took a buy on it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I have for today. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next stream. New York, definitely. We'll be going live. I'll be going live in New York. So yeah, that is it. You guys have a good day, the rest of the day, and then I'll see you guys on the next New York stream. Peace.